Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we dive into the world of home fitness, comparing the Sperax treadmill and the Bifanuo walking pad based on online reviews and feature comparisons. When it comes to affordability, the Bifanuo walking pad is the clear winner at $169, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. Meanwhile, the Sperax treadmill pitches at a higher $499, targeting those willing to invest more in their fitness journey. The Sperax treadmill shines with its innovative 2-in-1 folding treadmill design, offering versatility and a wide non-slip belt for safety.
On the other hand, the Bifanuo boasts portability and ease of storage, making it ideal for small spaces and those prioritizing convenience.
In terms of power, the Sperax leads with a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor, capable of supporting up to 280 pounds, making it suitable for a wider range of users. The Bifanuo, while slightly less powerful with a 2.25 HP quiet motor, is praised for its quiet operation, perfect for shared spaces or late-night workouts. User experience is enhanced by both treadmills through multifunctional LED displays and remote control, offering convenience and real-time progress tracking.
However, the Sperax provides a more engaging running experience, while the Bifanuo excels in simplicity and ease of use, particularly for walking.
Overall, Amazon reviews highlight the Sperax treadmill as a versatile, quiet, and compact choice, great for small spaces and offering value for money. The Bifanuo walking pad is praised for its portability, ease of use, and effectiveness in increasing activity levels, with a notable emphasis on its quiet operation and sleek design. Whether you lean towards the versatile and supportive Sperax or the budget-friendly and quiet Bifanuo, the choice is yours.
If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and sprint to the comments to share which treadmill won your heart and why.
Links to both products are in the description.
Until next time, keep making smart buys for your fitness journey.